I regret saying, I wish someone told me this before I could be very far.
You're my samurai, perfect picture camera. I'm in love with all your ways, no need to worry, bro.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and you're most welcome as well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what actually happens when you delete your old videos from your channel. Don't delete videos from your channel anyhow. And in this video, you're going to know how it works and why you shouldn't delete your videos. If you've been watching my previous videos, I'm sure you know that I'm a victim of this habit. I used to delete my own YouTube videos and it actually affected me. Up to this time, I regret saying, I wish someone told me this before I could be very far. Now, what happens when you delete your videos? The YouTube algorithm ranks our channels. The YouTube algorithm uses its system to rank our channels on how to recommend our videos. So when you delete a video from your channel, the rankings literally changes. Here is an example. If you have 10 videos on your channel, and then you delete one video, if your number in the algorithm was 1000, the algorithm will actually push your account beyond 1000 to maybe 1050, 1020. Let me hope you're understanding my example. As soon as you delete your video, the rankings actually change, and you will come to see that your videos are no longer being recommended. Sometimes, if you delete a lot of videos at once from your YouTube channel, the rankings will actually drop, and you will be like a new YouTuber, like as if you're just beginning YouTube. This is what happens when you delete more than 3 videos from your channel. Once you're done deleting those videos, the YouTube algorithm will put a shadow ban on your channel. What is a shadow ban and how does it work? A shadow ban is a temporary ban that is put on your channel for your videos to be recommended or shown to a particular number of subscribers or audience. Now, after deleting your videos, you realize that your view count will drop. And what makes it to drop is that a shadow ban has been put on your channel. A lot of things actually can bring a shadow ban on your channel, like spam commenting can also bring a shadow ban on your channel. As for today, we are focused on deleting videos. What happens after we have deleted videos from our channel? I think I'll talk more about shadow ban in my next videos. After your videos or your channel is put on a shadow ban, you will be like a new YouTuber. Everything will begin afresh. Your rankings will be lost from your channel. Another point is that the YouTube algorithm favors channels with more videos. The YouTube algorithm favors channel with bigger library. Once you have more videos, I don't know if you have ever realized that, go and check channels with 100 videos and above. Those channels actually receive views because the YouTube algorithm favors channels with more videos. I know what makes people delete their old videos or some of their videos is when they change their niche. Some people delete their videos because once they become successful, they don't want their subscribers to see their old videos. Please don't delete those videos. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If this was so helpful for you, please let me know in the comments. If you have faced this, let us know so that we can help you out and I can make more videos about this and how you can actually recover from it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.